when we deal with a client that, is super busy, has a super high level job and, needs to move their family or themselves, and they've got to get through the whole process. However, the demands of their job are so strong that they really need to lean on me almost as not just their agent, but their proxy. So they need great help in regards to who do I select? How do I get this done? Kirk, how do you streamline this so that it becomes super easy for me, but like I'm totally informed, totally in control, and I have experts around me? Because ultimately, I believe that that's what most of my clients want. They want experts around them. So it's a pretty simple process. Generally, what we'll do is we'll make the introductions to the right vendors, whether that's a home inspector, an engineer, an architect, a designer, whatever they're looking for. And we'll give them at least one all the time. And then we'll help them coordinate the appointments with everybody to get into the home. We get everything back. I spend the majority of the time not dealing with them so much as dealing with the interpretation of what's there, documenting that for them, including all the documents that they need to review as well, because ultimately it's their responsibility. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna streamline that. We're gonna make it so that your life can be as simple as possible. Business continues, but we get this extraordinarily important step taken care of for you, negotiated, scheduled, hammered out, whatever you want to call it, in the right way that gets you where you need to be without sacrificing your responsibilities at the office or at home.